Hello everyone, welcome back on the channel. And today in the sequence of online class I am going to discuss health and its failure. And yesterday we studied about the significance of health and the definition given by the World Health Organization. Today we will study about different issues which make the health poor or fair. Okay? So today we will talk about the community and personal health services. What is the importance of them? Personal and community health services. What are the personal issues? What are the community issues? Those make the health poor of an individual. So dear student, our social environment is an important factor to decide our health. For individual, it is very important that where it is living and how that place is and what is the environment of that place, that will direct decide its individual health. Okay, so what are those? These are the public health services. If we talk about it, public health service, it is a community issue, public health services. Okay, these public health services, what they include? It include proper removal and disposal of garbage. What matter if you have the good food, if you have good amount of money, if you are living in a very luxurious good building or in room, if there is garbage everywhere, if there is no proper disposal system of the garbage, whenever you will come out of your home, you will see the garbage all around you and you will be depressed circle. So this community, this is the community issue, because a person can only clean its house and put the garbage at a place wherever it is collected. But it is the duty of community issues, community services, that they remove the garbage and dispose it properly. Okay? You can take second, drainage of sewage. Sewage should be properly drained. There should be a sewage system in the society to drain the sewage. Otherwise, if foul water, if dirty water accumulate around our home, it will be the place for different vectors like mosquito and flies, as well as give the foul smell, and the person living in that area where everywhere the sewage is spreading, stagnant water is found, it will certainly cause ill effect on its health. Availability of clean water and unadulterated food. The area where we are living should properly supplied with clean water for drinking, bathing or whatever, cleaning any purpose, but it should be suitable to do those works, as well as the area, the society where we are living should not deliver any adulterated food in that area. Okay, so these are also. Now the society in that area should have proper system of awareness, proper vaccination and other medical services should be available. Next is vector and pest control. So these all activities are the communities, and these are the responsibility of the community, that these type of arrangement must be made available in the society where the person is living. And if person is individual, and these all make our environment, and if we are living in such an environment where these type of services are not available, no matter how physically fit we are and how properly living we are, this certainly cause the ill effect on the health, and we feel depressed if not get caught by any disease. Okay, so these are. Now some other issues also, like economic conditions. Economic conditions. If a person is living in the society where all above mentioned facilities are available, proper cleaning is there, proper available of water is there, foods are also not unaltered, which are present there, which are available there. But if the person is not having a good economic conditions, these services are not made available to him or her. Like if we want to take the good medical service, certainly it will costlier, and if the person is having poor economic condition, these things are not available to him. So jobs or any other ways to earn the money is necessary to provide the proper food and proper facilities to each and every member of the family. Okay, so we should, means our society should have the opportunities of such kind of jobs that can make a person of good economic condition, make the person economically well, so that he or she can fulfill his or her own demand. Okay, next is the social harmony and equality. The environment, the society where we are living should have good harmony between them and equality should also be there. Means it can be said that we are the persons which are living in that society should be available in one another's happiness and sorrows, and help means helping others or receiving health on time is also necessary. And if the persons of that society are living in good harmony, they have the equality, means no person is operating from someone and no person is threatening someone. So such type of equality, there is no discrimination of rich or poor or whatever the other parameters of the society, and they live happily together so that they share their sorrows, their happiness, and they can help or get help on time in the society. So there should be social harmony and equality between the individuals who are living there. Okay. Next is the personal hygiene. Personal hygiene. The person who are living in society should follow the duty to maintain their personal hygiene, like washing hands, cleaning teeth, wearing clean clothes, eating clean foods, and adopting good habits. These are necessary to maintain personal hygiene. Okay, so these all are the personal and community health services which affect the health of a person, no matter if he or she individually is physically fit. Okay, so that was this video. Again and again, if you want to understand and if you like the video, and prepare the next topic. In next video I will discuss about the causes of diseases. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day.